Hello all, Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy. In this video, you will learn how to teach to trace the Hindi letter J and the different words which start with the letter J, and also a tip on reading for your kid. So let's get into the tracing of the letter J. So this is J for us. So how do we trace J? The very simple thing is start with the standing line, attach to it a short, a half of it, half of the standing line. We have to start from half of it, and a short sleeping line connected to it, a small curve or a kick, and a sleeping line running across it. So this is J. So let's do it again. First start with a standing line, connected to it the half of the way a sleeping line with a kick and a sleeping line running across it. So this is J. Let's do it one last time. Very simple, isn't it? Just draw the standing line. Halfway start a sleeping line, which is very short, and a kick or a small curve, and a sleeping line running across it. So this is J, the Hindi letter J. And now let's see what are the different words which start with the letter J. So the first word is J, jungle. Jungle is the forest. Many of us know it, right? So J, jungle. And the next word is J, jal, pani or the water. We call pani in the regular usage. So this is jal, J, jal. And J, jadoo, the magic. Yes, jadugar, the person who does the magic is magician, is called the jadugar, and the magic is called jadoo. So J, jadoo. So what are the three words we have learned? J, jungle, J, jal, and J, jadoo. So these are the different words which start with the letter J. And now the tip is, parents, we generally read stories to our kids and all, right? So there is a pattern for reading the stories to the children. That is, first you have to read with your child. You have to read to your child and then listen to your child when they read. So these are the different simple steps for you to encourage reading in your child. So this is very simple tip. So when you are reading, make sure you are reading, your child is beside you and you're reading with him, and then you're reading with whatever the choice is theirs, and take that story and read it to them, and then you just ask them what was the story, re-narrate. So this helps them to understand, and we also can understand what they have taken from the story or whatever the article we have read for them. Hope this tip helps you to read for your child, and keep sharing, like and subscribe our channel, and if you have not done, and then let me meet you in the next video with the next letter. Namaste.